Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Good, thank you.
Good.
Ecstatic. Why? What are we doing here standing in these funny looking outfits?
About to jump out of a plane.
Woo! What's the occasion?
50th.
Oh my, double occasion. Love it, love it. Happy birthday to both. And you?
21st next year. Early present.
Excellent. Love it so much. Well, we've got some sun today, some clouds. We're going to go through ourselves at the ground at 200 k's an hour. Sorry, not 400. Wow. Any last words you want to say to friends, family watching?
Goodbye.
See you guys.
At least so you get the four-wheel drive.
Awesome. Well, let's get out there and do it, hey?
Yeah.
Still don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin. Temptation within. Mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
next time.